Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 dry vacuum cleaner. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Ultenic AC1 Elite. Specifications. Brand name, Ultenic. Model number, AC1 Elite. Voltage, 220-240V. Power, 450W. Function, mopping and sweeping in suction type. Weight, 9.48 pounds. Capacity, 0.68 quarts. Item number 4 is CrossWave Cordless Max. Specifications. Brand name, Liectroux. Function, wet and dry. Filter type, washable filter. Voltage, 36 volts. Power source, cordless rechargeable. Surface recommendation, hard floor, area rug, tile. As the item number 3 we've selected, Karcher WD-1S Barrel Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Liectroux. Cord length, about 5 meters. Dust box capacity, 2L. Voltage, 220V. Maximum power, 1500W. Wire length, 5 m. Ground width, 250 millimeters. Noise, 76 dB. Dust box capacity, 18L. Weight, 4.6 kilograms. Certification, CE, UR. Size, 399 by 399 by 518 millimeters. Item number 2 is Liectroux i7 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Liectroux. Dust box capacity, 0.6 to 1L. Filter type, HEPA. LCD, yes. Cleaning route, random type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, wireless. Power, 200W. Function, wet and dry. Suction, 14,000 kilopascals. Clear water tank capacity, 800 milliliters. Battery capacity, 4,000 milliamp hours. Size, 280 by 210 by 1150 millimeters. On the top of our list at number 1 we have VK609PFR. Specifications. Brand name, XMSJ. Voltage, 120V. Special feature, wheels, HEPA. Powerful motor, 5.5 peak HP high-performance motor. Power, 1001-1200W. Power source, corded electric.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.